everybody, this is Kristen Ziesmer, a sports dietitian from Elite Nutrition and Performance, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to meal prep your breakfast for the week. I don't know about you, but I know I don't have any time in the morning to be cooking up this nice breakfast with eggs and, toast and all that kind of stuff, so I like to get things done on the weekend so that I have breakfast every day during the week that I could just easily pull out of the refrigerator and heat it up if I need to. So we're going to make two different things. One is going to be a breakfast casserole, which sounds like it's going to be terrible for you, but it's actually not so bad. I'm going to show you how. And the other one is going to be overnight oats. So let's go ahead and we're going to get started with the breakfast casserole. So first things first, you actually need one of these 9x13 pans. And so I'm going to take a little bit of olive oil and I'm just going to put that around the sides and in the bottom, and I'm just going to kind of smear it around. So what I use is these Ore-Ida hash brown potatoes, so they're just like the frozen shredded potatoes, and I actually need to break up this giant chunk. So you're just going to put this at the bottom of your pan. That's going to be kind of like your base layer. Even layer of potatoes on the bottom. And I am using a couple different vegetables here. I'm going to use kale and then I'm going to use mushrooms. So I typically would use spinach in this, but I have kale because we use City Roots as a CSA, which is community supported agriculture, and it's just basically you pay for a box of vegetables and you get a whole bunch of vegetables at the beginning of the season, and you get a box of vegetables every week. And I really like it because all their vegetables are organic. You are buying local, so your vegetables are going to have more nutrient value to them because they're not going to be sitting on a truck for, I don't know, a week or however long and losing all those nutrients. You're also supporting your local farmer, and it actually winds up only being about $20 a week for a gigantic box of vegetables that I actually have a hard time using all of them between myself, my husband, and my son. So, all right, we have a nice bed of kale in there. So next up, I'm going to use some mushrooms. So I have these. This is a nice mushroom that you get from City Roots, which sounds kind of crazy or looks kind of crazy, but it's a lion mane mushroom. So I'm just going to rip this up and just kind of sprinkle it in here and try and, even it all out so every piece is getting a little bit of mushrooms in here. And from there, I'm going to add in some ham and whisk up my eggs, and that's basically it. We'll throw it in the oven. I'll add a little salt and pepper in there, and we're good to go. So basically what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to bake it in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes until it looks like the eggs are set, and then I just cut it up and divide it into 8 sections, and there you go, that's breakfast. So this is a little package of ham that I picked up from the store. It's already pre-diced, as you can see, because it's going to save me some time, so I don't need to dice up my ham myself. And I'm using ham just because it's lower in fat than bacon or turkey sausage or any of those other things that you can get. And like I said, it'll just boost the protein content a little bit. And you really don't even need to use this entire package because it's quite a bit of ham. So, all right, we have our ham in there, and now I'm going to whisk up all these eggs. So this is a container of, it's actually 18 eggs, but I've used some out of here. So I'm going to, the way that I do this is I just crack all the eggs in here that I have, and then if I need to use more because my casserole is looking a little sad because it doesn't have enough eggs to cover it, then I will get some more. And I did actually whisk up the entire egg. I did not use egg whites, and the reason for this is so that we can get some healthy fat in here as well. and I don't need to add anything else to it. So it's now a complete meal. I have my carbohydrate, I have my vegetables, I have my protein and my fat. So we're actually good to go. So I'm actually going to just press everything down in here so it gets down into the egg, and wipe off my hands, and then this is my casserole. It's ready to go in the oven. Okay, next recipe that we have up is overnight oats, and I like to make overnight oats for breakfast as well as a snack. So I'm just going to make 2 containers here. I like to pick little containers because you really don't need a whole lot for this. This is the easiest recipe ever, and I personally like overnight oats cold, but you can warm them up in the microwave. It doesn't really matter. So all you're going to do is get a half cup of just your old-fashioned oats here, and you're going to put a scoop in each container. And then you're going to pick your toppings. So I am on a raisin and flaxseed kick right now. So I'm going to put a little bit of raisins in each one, maybe, I don't know, about a tablespoon or so. And then I'm going to top it off with, actually I'm going to use chia seeds instead because I've been using flax seeds a lot. So chia seeds, great source of protein, great source of fiber, as well as healthy fat. So I'm going to just pour a little bit in each. Again, about a tablespoon or 2, just depending on how much you like. And then I also have some pumpkin pie spice because 'tis the season. Why not? Put that in there, and then I'm just going to top it off with a little bit of milk in each one. I just pour enough milk just to basically cover the oats. I don't really measure it, but if you want to, you can. I would say probably about a three-quarters of a cup. And that is it. So now I'm just going to put the lids on these, put them in the refrigerator, and let the oats soak up the milk. And that's basically all you need to do. Tomorrow morning these will be good to go, and I can pull them out and eat them just like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope that this was informative, and stay tuned for my next video, which is going to be how to meal prep for the week. Thanks for watching.